Welcome to another video, and we are at the test facility at Kia at Andhra Pradesh, where we are now going to do a high-speed run on the all-new Kia EV9. This is an electric SUV, and this is the track, so we're going to go straight over there. Now, before we start that, let me tell you quick things about this SUV. Now, as far as price goes, this thing launched a few months back in India, and this carries a price of rupees 1.3 crore ex-showroom, and it produces around 391 bhp of power, 700 Nm of peak torque. It's a dual motor. India will get only one variant, that is the all-wheel drive variant. This is the GT line, and the car looks absolutely amazing. If we talk about charge, on a full charge, this can go up to 561 kilometers, and this also has an ultra-fast charging mode where you can charge this from 0 to 80% in 24 minutes. So that is something really amazing. And let us just check out the car. So you have 20-inch wheels, all blacked out finish. You get green UV cut glasses, and that is how the rear section looks like. You have the GT line badge over here, EV9 badge over there. That's how the tail light looks like. That's a spoiler, and this is a 6-seater. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now let's move on to the inside, and that is how the inside of the all new EV9 looks like. It's got a lot of materials, for example soft touch, you got recyclable material, you got Alcantara as well. So that is how the front section actually looks like. You get a 12.3-inch screen, 12.3-inch screen, and a 5-inch display over here for the aircon. Now this thing you've seen on the Kia Ceros, and that is where the Ceros has taken inspiration from. However, Ceros has taken inspiration from this entire car, because I mean on the outside also, if you have seen this, a lot of similarities are there between this and the Ceros. So that is how the cabin looks like. A lot of storage space over here. That is the second row. That is the third row. Second row is completely adjustable with massage functions. First row also has massage functions. You have GT line badging over here. Boss mode on this seat. Third row can fold down. Since the third row is up, you will still have 333 liters of boot. This is a digital IRVM where you have a camera right underneath the spoiler. So if you have full luggage till the top, you can just flip this, and there you go. No problem seeing whatsoever. Entire thing is finished of Alcantara. The roof, absolutely fantastic material over here. That's how the steering wheel looks like. That's the drive mode. That's the terrain mode. Now you have your eco, normal, sport, and my drive. Since we are doing a high speed run, we will put it on sport mode. Let us buckle up, and remember we have Abhishek with us in the car, so yeah. Steering wheel is also electrically adjustable. Let me just align the seat once again. And your gear lever is right over here, so that is how you shift. You press the brake and you do this. Now it's on D. If you put it down, that's on P. Park and reverse, and again tons and tons of storage space, and that is how the key looks like. So we'll go for a run. Let me just align the car, and let me see what this car can actually do. That's a pretty fast car, and here we go. One 180, 190, 200. Okay, 205 is what we got. Not bad for a big 6-seater SUV, and this thing is absolutely ballistic. Well, obviously 391 bhp, 700 Nm, all-wheel drive, one motor at the front, one motor at the back, and the moment you give throttle, this thing just moves, so there's no power loss. So yeah guys, that was the EV9. I hope you like this video, and see you soon in the next one.